Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you, can you grow lettuce on a AeroGarden? So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering if they can grow lettuce within their AeroGarden. Well, I've been doing this for well over a year now, and yes, you can grow lettuce in your AeroGarden. So the version that I have right here is a 6-pod AeroGarden, and I'll leave a link to this down below in the description. Now with this 6-pod AeroGarden, I've realized that lettuce tends to have really big roots, and with it I only put lettuce over here, and then I only put one plant over here. And the reason why is because lettuce tends to grow really vast and tall, so I'll do an update video on this later on. And because it's so tall and it occupies so much space, it tends to kill the plants that are within these next 2 pods over here. So ideally, if you want to grow lettuce, try to space out the pods just so that they're not competing with each other for the light. I've had lettuce grow over here, and then I had these 2 pods filled, in which this lettuce over here eventually ended up taking up all the sunlight and eventually killed these 2 pods right over here. But as you can see, I am growing lettuce right now in this pod right over here, and then dill in this pod right over here. And hopefully the lettuce won't take up too much of the light where it takes too much light from the dill. But that right there, guys, I hope answers your question of can you grow lettuce in an AeroGarden. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.